Are the rubbers and plastics on your car looking dull and faded? Hi, I'm Tatty, and today I'm going to show you how to restore some life back into your vehicle. Yes, this works on motorbikes too. Rubber and plastic parts on cars and motorbikes that don't receive proper nourishment from oils can quickly become eyesores. Over time, these materials dry out, crack and fade, losing their original colour and texture. The once smooth, glossy surfaces turn dull and brittle, making the car appear neglected and aged. Without the protective barrier provided by nourishing oils, these components deteriorate faster, reducing both their aesthetic appeal and their functional longevity, ultimately contributing to the overall decline in the vehicle's appearance. Here's a simple and effective DIY trick using something you probably already have in your kitchen: cooking oil. Cooking oils such as vegetable or coconut oil can work wonders to re-nourish and restore the natural sheen of rubber and plastic surfaces. It's an easy, eco-friendly solution. Step 1. Pour a small amount of cooking oil into a wee container. You don't need much, just enough to lightly dampen your microfiber cloth. Step 2. Gently rub the oil onto the rubber or plastic parts, making sure to cover all areas evenly. Step 3. Let the oil sit for a few minutes to absorb into the material. Notice how it instantly revitalizes the surface, bringing back that rich, dark colour. Step 4, and the last step, wipe off any excess oil with a clean, dry cloth, and this helps prevent dust from sticking to the surface. With just a little cooking oil and a few minutes of your time, you can easily re-nourish and protect the rubber and plastic parts of your car or motorbike, keeping them looking like new. Try this simple trick at home and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips with Tati. See you in the next one.